Hello, everybody. I hope all are doing great. Yes, today I came up with a very interesting topic, and I want to ask you one question to everyone. Do you know what are your strengths, or at least do you know what are your weaknesses? So, on this topic, I want to share with the help of very funny story. So, let's dive into today's story. Yes, once upon a time, one day, one common man traveling from the city to his village. Whatever he earned in the city, he kept in one bag and is carrying with him with very happy mode to celebrate the festival in his own village. And on the way, he has to cross one forest. So he thought to himself that he was a bit tired, so he want to take some rest. So he slept under one tree. So unfortunately, one thief came. One thief attacked him. He kept gun on his forehead and asked for money. So by seeing the gun, anybody will get fear, right? So the same way, this common man also got fear. So he requested him, please, please don't kill me, don't do anything to me. I will give you everything, whatever I'm having. So he shown the purse, the bag, and she shown the money inside, and he given to the thief. Once he got the bag in his hands, the thief laughed at him very loudly. This much easy, you are so funny guy, this much easily you have given me. You are so great, you are so good man, you are great. And like that he told, and he want to move on. Before that, common man asked him one help. Please help me out in one thing. So this thief thought to himself that what he want help from me. He given me everything. Okay, only help only now, let me do. Okay, tell me, what help do you want? Then he asked, I want a help that please shoot on my cap. This common man wears some cap, so he want please shoot on my cap because once I went to my home, there will be some problem with my wife, right? This much money you earned in the city, what you have done? Why you not brought that money? She will ask me, right? So there will be some problem, so I have to show her, I have to believe her. Please shoot one shot only, please. So he given one shot on his cap. Again he requested him. When he started to move, again common man requested him to shoot on his jacket, on his coat. Jacket means not like blazer, it's normal coat. So on the coat he asked him to shoot. Because once I went to my home, no, she will not believe me. The natural situation, the real situation, this situation, if I tell her also, she will not believe me, and I have to show her that this incident like this happened. So many thieves attacked me, so it's a life and death question. So that's why I have given them the money. Like that I have to show her. So please take care of my body. Please shoot on my coat. So then this thief smiled inside that this is very funny guy. Like that he smiled inside and he shooted 4-5 shoots. He shooted on the court. So he started moving. Okay, now I am leaving. Like that he told and moving. Again he requested to shoot on his pant, on his legs. Please take care of my legs. I will not ask you. This is the last time I am asking. Please shoot on my pant, because I have to show my wife and I have to tell my wife that I'm running. So many 5 and 6 thieves attacked me while I'm running. It's a life and death question. So that's why I have given them the money bag. Like that I have to tell her, please, this is the last shot. I'm not going to ask you anything. So as and when the thief taken the gun and to shoot, there were no bullets. The gun was empty. Bullets were over. So this is the situation. The man used his presence of mind and he immediately taken the bag from the thief's hand and he ran away. So what's the moral? What's the value from this story, my dear friends? We have to take. That is the presence of mind. In that fear situation also, he used his mind. That is called presence of mind. According to situation, we should respond. So it's very important to each and everyone. Presence of mind is very important. So when that will come? The experts are telling that when you will do meditation. Meditation will give you so much of positive results in each and every angle. The whole body. In so many fields in your body, there will be so much positive result. Meditation means not only doing puja, not only in spiritual wise, but to know yourself, to know more and more about yourself. What are your strengths and what are your weaknesses? And daily at least 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that. You have to maintain one gratitude journal. It's my personal suggestion. If you maintain this gratitude journal, it will show so much positive difference in your life. You have to show gratitude to each and everyone, to each and everything, whatever you are having. Show some gratitude, write down. And it will give you so much positive difference in your life. And know more and more about you, who you are. Who you are. If you know your strengths, if you know who you are, if you know what are your weaknesses, it's very easy to overcome these kind of situations. And moreover, don't get panic. In this kind of situations, don't get panic. Be cool, be calm, be peace to your mind and body. That will come only with meditation. So please practice meditation. Please know more and more about yourself and lead a very healthy and very beautiful life, peaceful life. And that's it from my end. Till next week, your Harita signing off. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your encouragement.